Welcome to our wildlife adventure. Today, we'll explore the wonders of the natural world and the incredible creatures that call it home. Our journey begins with these gentle giants, elephants. They roam the savannas and forests, reminding us of the grandeur of nature. Elephants grace us with their presence, showing off their acrobatic skills and playful nature. Coral reefs are like underwater cities, bustling with life. They're home to colourful fish, turtles, and countless other marine species. Lions, the kings of the jungle, represent strength and beauty in the animal kingdom. They live in social groups and protect their territory. Butterflies bring enchantment to our world with their vibrant colours and delicate wings. They symbolise transformation and renewal. Owls, with their wise eyes, are nocturnal wonders. They hunt silently at night, making them masters of the dark. Sadly, some wildlife is endangered. Species like the majestic tiger and rhinoceros need our protection to ensure their survival. Hummingbirds, with their rapid wings, are nature's tiny jewels, sipping nectar from flowers and pollinating along the way. The beauty of wildlife extends to the landscapes they inhabit. Sunsets in the wild are a breathtaking sight to behold. Our world is a treasure trove of wildlife wonders. Let's cherish and protect it so that future generations can experience the magic of nature.